What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Day here, back again for another video, and this is going to be part 6 of my Topstep 50k combine series. And currently it is 9:27, so we got about I believe 8 more minutes until my session start. In the previous video we took a loss, so our balance is currently at 51,000 even. We was at 51,800, but like I said, we took a loss, so it brought us back down to here. If we catch our usual 2 wins today, then we'll be back at 51,800, and then if we win one and lose one, then we'll basically be at 51,600. So whatever happens, those are going to be the possible outcomes no matter what. But yeah, that's all I really got, so I appreciate y'all again, and we're gonna go ahead and get this one started. Currently, as you can see, it is 9:30 a.m. so the New York Stock Exchange open, and yeah, we're just waiting for 9:35. I know for the rest of the week we don't really have that much USD news and important areas, so I think this will be a nice chill week. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and wait for my time 9:35 to come. Alright, so far it is 9:34 and it's about 20 more seconds until 9:35. So what I'm gonna be anticipating is a sell so far. We'll just see what happens. Hopefully we can catch some good setups. Alright, so we got tagged in. See, this is a fortunate situation right here. Even though, see, I'm gonna explain that one too real quick, because that was one reason why. Hold on, this one might actually happen really fast, but I'm gonna explain that what just happened right there. I'm gonna explain it after if the trade hits TP or stop loss. Yeah, we definitely gotta talk about that one for sure. Just a waiting game, honestly. But now we're currently back in some drawdown. I guess I could kind of explain what happened real quick while we wait for this. See how it tapped me in? It tapped me in about right here, right? So I have my sell stop limit at the actual entry that I want, but what I might have to start doing is having both entries be at 1 tick offset or 2 tick offset, because there'll be times where price will give me in the entry, right? But the red wrinkle box never prints it, as you saw right there. For my TP, I don't really care, right there, right? So you see how my TP just got hit, right? I'm taking profit. I don't really, as long as it's kind of near where I wanted to be at, I'm cool with that. But if it's let's say my TP is down here and the red wrinkle box prints, but it never took me out, that's gonna be a problem, because it followed my system, but it wouldn't have got me out the trade, right? So I always like to have those 1 tick offsets for my entries and my TPs and my stop losses and stuff like that. But currently now we're going to be looking for a buy. I'm going to go over that first trade right here. And I might have to do a 1 tick offset right here and maybe a 2 tick offset. So this is going to be a 1 tick offset entry and a 2 tick offset. And the reason being is so we could avoid when the last trade that just happened, when price kind of just, you see there, okay, now it got me in, and then it printed. So that was more a little bit accurate towards my strategy or towards my system. So yeah, but off rip though, this is beautiful though. This is a beautiful day, honestly. If this could continue with that bullish momentum right there, this will be probably one of the most quickest. See, I don't mind that, right? Price got me out right here, or about right here. I don't mind that for my TPs, right? And you see how fast wrinkles, but there's just a lot going on with this one. I'm not gonna lie, even though it's not really aggressive, but it is aggressive scalping. But it depends, because wrinkle doesn't always do this, bro. It depends on the volatility. That's what I'm saying. Wrinkle focuses on price. Whatever, if you're having a volatile day, you're gonna have days like this where literally only have 4 minutes of market time. Last video I had 5 minutes of market time. I think the best way to go about it now is to have a 1 tick offset for my first limit and a 2 tick offset for my second limit. So as you saw, the first entry for the sell, it got me in when the box didn't really print, but for the second entry for the buy, it got me in exactly when the box printed. And that's what I want that exact movement of price getting me in and price printing, because I don't ever want to have to get in a trade but it really didn't meet my criteria, right? You saw how it got me in right here and the price kept going back up. I don't want that, right? I didn't even get a chance to chill, for real. I was just you know what I'm saying, price just kind of just gave me my setup. But that's what I'm saying, bro. If you're gonna trade wrinkle, and when I do happen to drop this strategy, if y'all still want it, you're gonna have to really pay attention. It's not super fast to the point where you cannot get in your trades and do whatever, but it is very quick. It's very quick at times, right? If you see my previous videos with like Renko, it could vary, bro. Like there was one trade where I was in for like 10 minutes or like 8 minutes, something like that. I had time. But with this one, bro, the trades lasted like 2 minutes each, because my session literally ended in 4 minutes, right? So it's like, yeah, so you just gonna have to pay attention, but that doesn't mean that you can't, you know what I'm saying, get in these like quick scalps, bro. So as you can see right here, my profit for today is 763. So we're basically like right back at like where we started. I don't really care about like having it be the exact number. Like as y'all saw in like yesterday's previous video, it was at 51,800. I'm kind of like what, like $30 off. I don't really care about that. We're in the same general area, right? Yeah, that's all that really happened. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and lock out, right? So I'm gonna lock out for today. I'm done, not trading anymore. Love this lockout feature because it prevents me from over trading, missing out, like FOMO, like none of that, bro. Like you're good, you just chill, right? And we're gonna go ahead and check out the performance tab real quick. And yeah, this is probably gonna be a short video too, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, y'all can see the P&L, 1,773. You can see the win rate went back up. I believe it was at like 77, so now we got it back in the 80s. That's like perfect. Y'all can see all this. I'm gonna show y'all also my you already know, like the trade count, right? So you can see, I believe this was the section where we took these trades. So this one is showing red because I had other trades that lasted in between 1 to 2 minutes. It's basically at like 50% if I'm not mistaken. So I won half of my trades, I believe that's what that's saying. And yeah, today's trades was definitely like what, 2 minutes tops. Maybe it was like 3 minutes. There could have been a trade that was like 3 minutes and 1 minute, but it's in this general area, right? 5 minutes max. Like 5 minutes was like the max that I was literally in the market, bro, for both of my trades, right? But yeah, that's that. And then we're gonna go over to the calendar, my favorite part, because I love seeing like the consistency and all that good stuff. Day 1, 763. Day 2 lost 426. Day 3 won 758. Day 4 won 758. Day 5 lost negative 845. And day 6 we won 763. So it's like I said, I don't care about it having like the exact same numbers. I don't need this to match this and say, oh, like I won 845. I don't need this. I don't need that, right? I kind of just like round it up because we're in the like same general area. Like when you have like a higher size account that you're trading on, like a 50K combine, 100K combine, whatever the case may be, you don't really care about like those exact amounts. You just want to be in the same general area. At least that's how I think. Like that's for me personally, because it forces me not to like worry about getting to the exact numbers. That calls for me to take more trades. That calls for me to, you know what I'm saying, do things that's out of my like schedule, trying to chase that like $30. Like what do I need $30 for? You know what I'm saying? We're in the same like area. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So I classify this as a break even. Honestly, like from here to here, we made up this day with these two trades. With my analogy of just like kind of rounding up, you know what I'm saying? Like y'all could think differently, y'all cool. This is just for me and my mental. I'm just saying like this and this is basically break even. So now we're back at where we are. And hopefully for the remainder of the week, we could get some good setups. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all like all the trades that I took. Y'all can see like this is my let me go down a little bit more. Y'all can see that these are like literally all my trades. So we started, I believe we started from down here. So you can see like the consistency, green, green, green. There's some reds, but overall my greens are way higher than my reds. So that's what I like to see, bro. That's why I love these high win rate strategies, honestly. You know, fits my psychology perfect. Appreciate y'all support, bro. Y'all showing a lot of love from the last video. I know a lot of y'all had like losing days on Mondays too, so y'all was relating to me too when I took my loss as well. So I appreciate all the comments and stuff. Y'all real ones, for real. Like, you know, I appreciate y'all just for being on this journey with me. You know what I'm saying? So one thing that I will say is I actually have a second wrinkle strategy. So I have this one that y'all see me trading on right here. Then I have another wrinkle strategy video that gives me more like trades to take, still negative RR. Kind of like if you know me from like my old wrinkle videos, y'all know that I was taking like every single like setup that I could see, and so I took a loss, right? So it's gonna be more like that style, but I'm gonna like grade it into a certain criteria of meeting certain conditions to improve the quality of that, and that's gonna allow me to get more like gains throughout the day. Like I was back testing it and forward testing it, and I was also seeing like, okay, like I was gaining like 5R for the day, 3R for the day, 4R for the day, right? This certain strategy that I'm trading right now, I'm stopping at 2 trades, right? So as you can see today, I stopped at 2 wins. I locked myself out and I'm done trading. With my other strategy, I'm gonna be like keep trading until I see a loss, right? But like I said, I have certain criteria on what's gonna make like these type of trades A plus, way better than my other Renko strategy videos. I'm just like kind of like improving Renko. I feel like what my Renko videos was missing from like the past was like I didn't really grade it in a certain way to like kind of like give it that best quality. Like for example, the one box like entry thing, like on this certain strategy, I don't take trades after one box. So that grades it into a different category to where I could be more consistent, right? Now I can have more grades and more things I can notice along the way, and I could start applying like different Renko strategy videos, just improving Renko, honestly, bro. But yeah, that's all I really got for this video. If you like this video, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, you could dislike, leave a hate comment. You know, we all good over here. Do what you got to do. And yeah, until tomorrow, bro, hopefully we could get some good setups. Hopefully y'all could get some good setups today and tomorrow for the remainder of the week, the month, the year, all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe.